Okay, so for this one, you're given this diagram. It's a rectangle. So I know that this side length is the same as that side length. They're equal. So what would I label here? What's this side? 3x. This side's 9x plus 7. What's this side?
9x plus 7.
Okay, so how would I show an expression to represent perimeter? I have to add up all the sides. So I'm adding this, plus this, plus this, plus this. So let's write it out. 3x plus 6, plus, 9x plus 7, plus 3x plus 6, plus 9x plus 7. I have 3x's. I don't have plus 9x's, plus 3x's, plus 9x's, right? How many x's do we have all together? How many x's? Shh. What's 3 plus 9?
12.
Plus 3? Plus 9? 24 x's. Altogether I have 24 x's. Then what do I have to add? I have to add the 6 plus, okay, so I have to add the 6. I'll just write it out. Plus the 7, plus the 6, plus the other 7. So altogether I have 24 x's plus, what's 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 26. Raise your hand if you got 24x plus 26. And I'm going to tell you that the units here are centimeters. So what do you think my next question is going to be? What is the actual perimeter if x equals, let's make up a number.
7.
Again? 4.
5.
If x is equal to 4, you're now going to calculate the actual perimeter. If x equals 4, you're going to replace that with 4. So what's the operation? Add or multiply? So perimeter is equal to 24 times 4 plus 26.
Plus 26 is what?
It's 96 plus 26. What's the final answer? 122. Good question. What's the unit? Centimeters.